Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. Wide judgment and order dated 23/4/2003. The appellant has been convicted for the offence under Section 302 IPC. Stop. He has been awarded a sentence of life imprisonment and fine of rupees 10,000 in default to undergo simple imprisonment for 3 months. Stop. It has been held that in view of the testimony of Kailash Kumar, the testimony of Constable Vinod and the testimony of Rishi Kumar, it stands established that the appellant had, with an intention to cause death, stabbed the deceased in the abdomen, inflicting an injury which has resulted in the death of the deceased. Stop. Since at the arguments advanced today, a doubt was cast on the testimony of PW10 and PW4 by urging that both gave evidence that the deceased had told them that the appellant was the assailant. But testimony of Dr. Sanjeev establishes that the deceased had become unconscious within 5 to 10 minutes of the injury. We propose to recharter the steps walked contemporaneously by the prosecution witnesses at the time of the incident. Jawaharlal proved the pointing out memo X PW11A prepared when the accused pointed out the spot wherefrom the weapon of offence was recovered, deposing that he was present when the event happened. Stop. He deposed that the knife was recovered in his presence from the spot pointed out by the accused and that the knife was seized in his presence. Wide Caesar memo. Stop. He stated that the sketch of the knife was prepared thereafter. Stop. Rampal deposed that on 19/4/2000 at around 6 p.m. in presence of the deceased Kalu Ram, the appellant had an altercation with Ram Prasad in the school and Om Prakash intervened and separated the two. Stop. Om Prakash corroborated about the fight between the appellant and Ram Prasad. Stop. He stated that the appellant was drunk at that time. Stop. PW22 also corroborated PW6 about the fight which took place in the evening and stated that the appellant was drunk. Stop. It is relevant to note that the three witnesses were not cross-examined pertaining to the testimony, where they stated that the appellant had a fight with Ram Prasad in the school at around 7 p.m. on 19/4/2000. No suggestion has been put to the witnesses that the appellant was not present in the school at around 7 p.m. Stop para. Dr. Sanjeev proved the post-mortem report and, on being shown the knife in court, stated that the same could cause the injuries mentioned in the post-mortem report. Stop. On cross-examination, he stated that the injury on the deceased was of a knife where blood loss was excessive and the person so injured would become unconscious within 5 to 10 minutes. Stop. We are eschewing reference to the other witnesses as they are police officers associated with the investigation and no submissions have been urged today with reference to their testimony and facts proved by them. Stop. The appellant took a plea of LB and examined his father, who deposed that there was a marriage in the family on 19/4/2000 at village and that the appellant had attended the wedding in his presence. Stop. The marriage card was proved, which records that Kumari Angita, daughter of Chhattarpal, was to get married on 19/4/2000. Stop. It may be noted that on being cross-examined, DW1 stated that no photographs were taken at the time of the marriage. Stop. Learned trial judge has held that the evidence on record establishes the presence of the appellant in the school building in the evening of 19/4/2000 and his altercation with Ram Prasad. Stop. Evidence establishes that the appellant inflicted the injuries on the deceased, who made a dying declaration immediately before his death. Stop. Thank you.